You've done more crunches than you can count, yet you're still fighting to get rid of that lower abdominal fat. We hate to break it to you, but you've been going about it all wrong. Hello there viewers, welcome back to Healthiest. This video will show you how to lose lower belly fat in 7 days. That said, let's get right into the video. Number 1. Getting rid of lower belly fat. First of all, I want you to dismiss the notion that you can spot treat sections of fat in your body. It doesn't matter if you do 1,000 reps of toning exercises. You're just going to tighten your waistline without losing any weight. The only way that you can make this work is to lose fat overall. So how can you get rid of it? Well, there are 2 ways. The first one is to create a calorie deficit, and the second is to get rid of lower belly fat with exercise. We're going to be talking about all of that and more. Watch till the end so you don't miss out on anything. Number 2. Calorie deficit. Creating a calorie deficit is as simple as determining if you burn more calories than you consume daily, because if you do, you're in a calorie deficit. According to the Mayo Clinic, burning 3,500 calories more than you consume equals 1 pound of fat. This means that you can lose up to 1 pound of fat every week if you maintain a 500 calorie deficit through a mix of diet and exercise. Number 3. Getting rid of lower belly fat with exercise. High intensity interval training or HIIT can help you get rid of that stubborn belly fat. According to one study, adults who completed HIIT exercise 3 times per week had similar results to those who did 30-minute cardio sessions daily. Now that proves the credibility of this powerful workout. We'll be looking at 5 exercises and you're going to push your body to its limit for at least 45 seconds. After that, take a break of 45 seconds before continuing to the next exercise. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. Mountain climbers. Get into a plank position. Make sure your hands are a little wider than your shoulders and your core is tight. Next, bring one of your knees closer to your chest without lifting your hips upwards. Finally, jump and alternate your legs as if you're running in place. Your pulse rate will rise as you alternate legs faster. Number 2. Burpees. Stand with your arms by your side and your feet shoulder width apart. Lower yourself into the squat position and place your hands on the floor. Kick your legs back and get into the plank position. Now jump your legs forward and return to the squat position. Return to the standing position and repeat. Number 3. Scissor kicks. Lie down on your back. Put both of your hands beneath your buttocks. Keep your lower back on the ground as you lift your right leg slightly past hip height and your left leg a few inches off the floor. Hold for 2 seconds before switching legs and performing a flutter kick motion. If you want to make it more challenging, try lifting your head and neck off the floor. Number 4. Reverse crunches. Lie on your back with your thighs elevated and your legs bent at a 90-degree angle. Bring your hands to the sides, or you can keep them free as you can see here. Just like in a crunch, slowly lift your upper body while simultaneously pulling your legs up to your chest. Hold the peak position for a second before stretching your legs out again to repeat the exercise. Number 5. Planks. To begin, get into a press-up position. Bend your elbows until your forearms are on the floor beneath your shoulders and your body forms a straight line. Keep your core tight and make sure your hips are not sagging. You can keep looking at the space between your hands to maintain good form. Finally, hold this position for as long as you possibly can. Aside from nutrition and exercise, you may adopt other lifestyle adjustments to help you lose weight. For example, drink plenty of water, quit any bad habits like smoking or alcohol consumption, and make sure you get a good night's sleep whenever possible. That's it for this video. I hope you're fully equipped to lose that stubborn lower belly fat in no time. Let's keep the conversation going. If you're wondering what foods to eat to lose weight, check out this video on 0-calorie foods or watch our superfoods playlist to become the healthiest. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.